Hello folks. So in today's video we're gonna check out about how to create a small game uh, and we're going to be actually creating this game using something called Scratch. So Scratch is actually uh, a visual programming language, um, and it is actually created by MIT folks, and this is used by adults and children equally, and they create some fun stuff using Scratch. You can create animations and games and whatnot. um, and in this video we're going to be looking at how to create a game called Avoid the Falling Objects. So I found this game when I was looking at applying to this community called Code in the Community, and I wanted to become a volunteer here. So they teach Scratch and Python. So the idea was, if you want to apply here, you have to actually create a Scratch project or a game, and submit it to them. So this is their version in image in Imgur, but I have translated it into text over here. So this is the game that we're going to create. So it's a Scratch program. Yep. The game is avoid the falling objects. So you have a player and who has to avoid the falling objects for some amount of time to win. So the player dies once they collide with any falling object. So there are some more details around this. So we can create a sprite which will be controlled by the mouse, and we have to create some falling objects. So there is something called clones over here. So the objects are falling from the top. I mean, it's falling. We have gravity, so so check for collision with the object. So when the player collides with the object, it has to just be game over. And there are some more details over here. So what this basically means is showing the time that the player has been surviving for, so a time survival variable, and show an ending screen when the game is over. And there are some more challenges, like adding how many lives you have, the player has, and some instructions for the game. So, so that's the text version. That might be boring. Maybe I'll show you the actual game that I've already created. And okay, I have some. Okay, cool. So, this is the game. There's a full screen. Awesome. So you can click the flag over here or here, the green flag. So that's the game instructions. So hello, help Mr. Crab. So this is our Mr. Crab. Avoid the big watermelons. So these are the falling objects, watermelons. You have 3 lives. Use the mouse to move Mr. Crab to the left and right. Click to start. So let's click. Oops. Uh, so if you notice on the top, I have 2 lives now, and I crashed again. So I have 1 life, and I crashed again. Game is over. I can click the green flag again and play, and oops, I tried to cheat the game. Okay, this is a bit tricky, like, yay, I don't have to move at all. I'm winning. Oops, I should have moved faster. Uh, okay, oops. Oh, okay, already game over. So, um, I didn't add the winning part. That's pretty crazy, I know. I guess while we build this game, we'll also add the winning um, implementation where let's say if the player survives for like 60 seconds, then the player wins. For now, it's just indefinite. It goes on, and like the time increases. And oops, I guess I can't move really fast sometimes. Huh? Like I don't know why. Yeah, I can move fast actually. Cool. So let's lose for now. Okay. And finally, I also have a cheat code which I can apply. Uh, it's G, so now I don't die at all. So yay, the watermelon just passes through me. Nothing happens. And if I type G again, okay, I think I didn't have any deactivation of cheat code. So yeah, I'm just invincible now. So yeah, that's the game. You can stop with the red. Uh, so we're going to be building this game with Scratch in this series. So you can actually go to the next video and see how to create this. Bye bye.